Want to get the Mobikwik Blue American Express card? This tutorial explains everything you need to know about this digital prepaid card. Mobikwik is the first non-bank Indian company to issue cards on the American Express network. The Mobikwik Blue Card is a prepaid card with a flexible credit limit. First, download the Mobikwik app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Create an account if you don't already have one. Complete your KYC verification to unlock the card feature. You will need your Aadhaar card and PAN card for verification. Open the Mobikwik app and navigate to the cards section. Look for the Mobikwik Blue American Express card option. Tap on Apply and check your eligibility. The card is available to eligible Mobikwik users based on their transaction history and credit profile. Set your desired credit limit. The Mobikwik Blue Card offers a flexible limit that you can adjust based on your needs. Once approved, your digital card will be instantly available in the app. There is no physical card since this is a digital-first product. You can use your Mobikwik Blue Card at all merchants that accept American Express in India. This includes online and offline stores. Add the card to Google Pay or Apple Pay for contactless payments. You can also use the card details for online transactions. The card offers rewards and cashback on eligible purchases. Check the Mobikwik app for the latest offers and benefits. Manage your card directly from the Mobikwik app. You can freeze the card, change your limit, and track spending. Mobikwik Blue American Express card is a great option for digital payments with the trust and reach of the Amex network. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more personal finance tutorials.